Have you ever read a poem that made your heart race or felt the words speak directly to your soul and wished you could write something just as powerful? Writing poetry isn't just for literary geniuses. It's a skill anyone can develop with practice and guidance. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start writing poetry that truly resonates, even if you've never written a single line before. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Poetry, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Poetry is more than just rhyming words. It's a way to capture emotion, convey ideas, and express your unique perspective. In this video, you'll learn practical techniques to craft poems that feel alive and meaningful. By following these steps, you can transform your thoughts into words that connect with readers and leave a lasting impression. Step number 1, find your inspiration. Every great poem starts with inspiration. Look around you. Nature, personal experiences, emotions, current events, or even a fleeting thought can spark a poem. Inspiration is important because it gives your words authenticity and depth. For instance, a walk in the park could inspire imagery about sunlight filtering through leaves, which might then become the central metaphor of your poem. Remember, no idea is too small or trivial. Your personal lens is what makes your poetry unique. Step number 2, decide on your theme or message. Before writing, clarify what your poem is about. Is it love, loss, hope, anger, or joy? Choosing a clear theme helps guide your word choices, tone, and structure. For example, if your theme is resilience, your imagery might focus on growth, strength, and overcoming obstacles. This doesn't mean every line must spell out the message, but having a guiding theme keeps your poem cohesive and impactful. Step number 3, experiment with structure and form. Poetry comes in many forms: free verse, sonnets, haikus, limericks, and more. Experimenting with different structures can help you find the style that best expresses your voice. A haiku, with its short, 3-line format, is perfect for capturing a single moment or feeling, while free verse allows flexibility to explore complex emotions without restrictions. Trying multiple forms can also spark creativity. You might discover a style you never thought suited your writing. Step number 4, use vivid imagery and sensory details. Poetry is about painting pictures with words. Use imagery that appeals to the senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell to create an immersive experience for readers. For instance, instead of saying, "The garden was beautiful," you might write, "Sunlight danced on petals, and the air smelled of morning dew." Sensory details draw readers in and make your poem more memorable. Motivational boost: the more vivid your imagery, the more your words linger in someone's mind. Step number 5. Play with sound and rhythm. Poetry isn't just about what you say, it's about how it sounds. Experiment with rhythm, rhyme, alliteration, and assonance to create musicality in your lines. For example, repeating consonant sounds like softly, silently, sliding can give your poem a gentle flow. Reading your poem aloud is key. If it sounds clunky, adjust the rhythm. When your poem flows naturally, it resonates more deeply and leaves a stronger emotional impact. Step number 6, revise and refine. The first draft is rarely perfect. Step back, read your poem aloud, and look for ways to improve clarity, imagery, and emotional impact. Replace weak words with stronger alternatives, trim unnecessary lines, and ensure every word serves a purpose. Even renowned poets revise multiple times. This is where your poem truly comes to life. A motivational note: don't fear revision. It's the difference between a good poem and a powerful one. Step number 7, share your work and get feedback. Poetry is meant to be shared. Whether it's with friends, a writing group, or online communities, feedback helps you see how your poem connects with others. Don't be discouraged by criticism. Use it to refine your voice. You'll also gain confidence. which fuels future creativity. Sharing is also a reminder that poetry isn't just a private exercise, it's a conversation with the world. Let's walk through a quick example using these steps. Imagine you felt inspired by a rainy afternoon. Inspiration, rain tapping on your window. Theme, reflection and renewal. Form, free verse to capture flowing thoughts. Imagery, droplets race down the glass, leaving tiny trails of silver. Sound and rhythm. Use soft repetition. Patter, whisper, sigh. Revise. Adjust lines for clarity and flow. Share. Read aloud to a friend or post in a poetry forum. Following this process transforms a fleeting feeling into a polished poem that others can experience and relate to. HowExpert Tip: keep a poetry notebook. Carry a small notebook or use a notes app to jot down lines, phrases, or observations as they come. Inspiration often strikes unexpectedly, and capturing it immediately ensures you never lose a spark. Over time, these snippets become a treasure trove for poems. By following these steps, you'll not only write poetry that communicates your thoughts and emotions, but also connect with readers in a way that feels genuine and impactful. Poetry becomes more than words on a page. It becomes a window into your perspective and creativity. Your challenge: write a short poem today using these steps. Start with inspiration. Choose a theme. Experiment with form. Add imagery. Pay attention to sound. Revise carefully and share it with someone. Even if it's just a few lines, notice how the process helps you express something meaningful. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Poetry. Available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.